Okay, these are the notes for 1-2. I'm going to work the 3 examples, and these will help you practice distributing. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the 3 and distribute it to the 2q and then to the r. That will give me 6q plus 3r. Now if I distribute the 5 plus 20q minus 35r. Here is where I want to combine like terms. So I'm going to put things that are alike together. So I'm going to put the 6q with the plus 20q, and I'm going to put the 3q with a negative 35q. So that will give me 26q by combining those like terms, and negative 32r by combining my r's. Okay. The next example, I'm going to distribute the 3. 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6y. This one I've got a negative number to distribute, which means I'm going to multiply negative 2 by 3x, which gives me negative 6x, and negative 2 by y, which gives me negative 2y. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. I'm going to underline this time to indicate like terms. And I'm going to go ahead and out to the side, write down combine like terms. Okay, so the 12x and the negative 6x are alike, and the negative 6y and the negative 2y are alike. So if I put my x's together, I get a positive 6x. If I put my y's together, I get a negative 8y. And then the last example, it's 56a, because 4 times 14 is 56, minus 40b. I know there is just a minus sign, but if we need to, we could even put a 1 right here. That's understood to be negative 1. You don't have to. But then we're going to take that and multiply. So if we think about that being negative 1 times positive 2b, it's negative 2b. Negative 1 times 6a is negative 6a. Here's where we combine like terms. 56a minus 6a, 50a, minus 40b, minus 2b, minus 42b. Okay. And so those are the notes that go with section 1-2.